Hey, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever received a PDF file full of data you needed in Excel but didn't want to waste time retyping it or pay for extra software? So in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to import data from a PDF straight into Excel using only built-in tools, no converters, no add-ons, just a few clicks and your table is ready to edit, analyze, or format. So without wasting time, let us get started. So you go to your computer and launch your Excel app. I'm using the latest Excel app, but if you're using the 2016, 2017, 2018, or 2019, Excel will still do this for you. So once we launch our Excel app, we'll go to blank workbook. Once we're here, now we want to import data, a table that is in PDF format. Let's say, for example, you're a student and you've got data from a particular paper online and you want to convert the tables from that paper into Excel data. So you open your Excel, then go to blank workbook, then you go directly to this function called data. Once you click on it, you'll see a ribbon appear up here. Then you'll go to get data. Once you click on that, you can see there's more options. You will get data from file, you get data from database, from Azure, from online services, from other sources, combined queries. There's so many that you want to get data, your data from, but today I want to use from file, and exactly I go to from PDF. You can see from CSV, you can see other many options, but mine is today is from the PDF. So once you click on it like that, um, it starts to open, so to take you to where you have saved your paper on your laptop. Let's say, for example, you downloaded your paper, so and you've saved it on your desktop. So I will start with the simple one, then go to the extra or that has the more data. So let's say the sample sales report. I'll click on it, then I'll click import. So it will start importing the data from, you can see it's in connecting from the PDF, then directly into the Excel file, where now you can directly convert them without retyping them from the PDF. So you give it time. This one depends on how faster your machine is and all that. So you can see it will bring me to this conva where it says the navigator. Now here I can see the table that I want to select. For example, if I click on this, you can see the table, the PDF table that appears here. Let me open up the PDF first so that you can see how it looks like. So when you check it out, it has some text up here, just a normal PDF file. You can see this is the table that we are converting into our Excel data. So you can see and some text here, but now here I've exported it and now it is here. If I want to do some editing or add another table to this Excel, to this data, I can go to transform data, but I will not do that. What I want to do today is just to load this data from PDF to Excel. So I will come here, then I will select the what I want to do. If you click on this, you can see other texts that are, and I don't want to get this text, I just want the table alone like this. Then I will load it. So it will take a few minutes, then it will load. So determining automatic transformation table and all that. Then you see it once it finishes, it will load your data directly into your PDF. You can see it saying getting data. Then my data has been fully transformed from PDF to Excel file, just easy like that. Then, like for example, we can also go back and get another bigger one so that I can show you how you can select. If you have multiple tables, you still follow the same process. You go back to, you open up your Excel, go to data, go get data, then from file, go to PDF. Want us to select the other file like this one, the Wickham 2016. We can open it here, then look at the way it looks like in the PDF format. So when you look at it, it's just kind of a paper that has so many tables in it, and I want to extract data analysis. It's a data analysis. So you can see there's the first table here. There's other tables down here. There's other tables down here. So what will you do to make sure that you get these multiple data converted from PDF to your Excel file? Simple. We follow the same process. You open your Excel file, go to data, then get data, go to file, from PDF, click on it like that. Then you go to where you have stored your PDF file, click on it, then import. You give it time, it will start importing the data that you downloaded there in your PDF file. So it will display here. You can see all the tables that I want to get the data from are displayed here. You can see when you click on this, you can see the first table, the second table, the third table. You can see information is here. So if I want to select all these multiple items and convert them into Excel file, I can just come here, click on this multiple, then I can select those tables that I want to appear here, or the ones that I want to download. So then once I'm done with that, I can either edit them from using transform data or just load them. But today I want to just load them. So once you click on that, it starts to transform your data. You can see this is happening on this section where there's queries and connections. Once it starts to transform them from PDF to Excel, you will see your data appearing here. Then now it will be very easy for you to analyze your data, maybe using Excel or another software like, for example, the Origin Pro and other softwares that you can use to analyze. But it's that easy. You can see it's finishing, still loading. So once it's done, your data will be transformed here. So you can come and click on any of the data that you want to see. You can see the data has been transformed here. Then on the second table, that table that you want to see and all that, you can see that your table is there. And that is how easy you can transform your PDF data from online directly to your Excel without using any software, without converting using the online softwares to convert them. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a comment below, and make sure you subscribe and you like this video and you share with your friends. Thanks so much. Please make sure you subscribe to help me produce more videos like this that will help us to learn and sharpen our skills. See you in the next video.